welcome back to the channel. This is Alex with Phantom Customs. On today's episode, we're going to take my buddy's C5 Z06. We're going to take the top end off of it. We're going to take the 243 heads that are on it, and we're going to put a set of aftermarket ported heads on it. We also got a new MSD Air Force intake manifold to put on it. This thing's pretty new to the market apparently. Haven't seen a lot of them out there yet, but we're definitely going to try it. We're taking the 92 millimeter fast intake off of it, and it's going to a 102 millimeter throttle body. It's a nitrous car. It's already got a forged bottom end. It's a forged 370 6.1 from Blueprint Engines. The car made some decent horsepower before, but we're just looking to upgrade it and see what we can put down. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, another day back at the shop. Here we go. Got a little late on me last night, so the vet didn't get as far as I wanted to do, but it happened. So let's get in here. And there she is, a little twin turbo Mustang action sitting down there. But a new day, guys. I got the heads over here. Got to get them prepped, ready to go. I still got to go through and clean out all the thread holes for the new bolts. Get all the gunk out of it. Get everything cleaned up, and then we should be ready to start reassembling this vet today. But before I can get started with that, I got a few cars I gotta get out of the way, so let's get started on that first. Need to do some more digging here. I gotta get these all these bolt holes all cleaned out, make sure there's nothing in the thread. So when we go to put the new ARP bolts in it, we get a good, clean, nice, solid torque on these heads. Doing here, we're just kind of taking this bolt, kind of hard to see there, and we just cut a little strip in the middle right there to relieve everything, so that when put it down there, it kind of allows everything to come out. All right, there's a little bit better idea where you can see what's going on. So if you look at it, have you ever seen a tap? It's kind of a little groove cut in them. Well, we're just chasing the threads, so when we spin it in this into the threads, it just kind of lets everything bypass off here, so when we pull it back out, all that junk and old thread lock that the factory bolts are on comes out with the guys, so wanted to give you a little update here on the C5 project. We ran into a little issue this afternoon where the stock LS1 fuel rails won't fit this intake. After doing a little more research, we found that we need to go to either a LS2 fuel rail or to a set of aftermarket rails. So not a big deal, just kind of a bummer because we really want to get this thing out and get this thing set up to go to the dyno, but guess it's gonna wait a few more days. Not a big issue, but still kind of bummed out. But want to let you guys know where we're at. That being said though, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. There's a lot more coming. The twin turbo Coyote's coming back out, and this twin turbo Coyote's coming out. So thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next one.